perfect for the job. Junior enters an ice cream store. He speaks to Jerry, the manager.
Can I have a chocolate ice cream and a job application?
How old are you?
I'm old enough to know that your chocolate ice cream needs more sugar. Are you the manager?
Yes, I am.
I'm Junior. Listen, if you give me a job, I can help you make a lot of money.
But you're just a kid.
That's why I'm perfect for the job.
No thanks, Junior.
Later, Junior is eating his ice cream in front of the store. A family walks past the store and sees Junior.
This is the best ice cream I've ever had. Dad, can we get that ice cream?
That kid's chocolate ice cream looks amazing. We want 4 of the same thing.
Great.
The family looks very happy as they leave the store.
Junior, you're a genius. But I still can't give you a job. Because you're a child.
That's okay. You can pay me in ice cream.
Great.